How do I convert a datetime to date? How do I convert a datetime.datetime object, for example, the return value of datetime.datetime.now, to a datetime.date object in Python?
Use the date method.
From the documentation, datetime.datetime.date return date object with same year, month and day.
You use the datetime.datetime.date method. Obviously, the expression above can, and should in most mile be written as.
You can convert a datetime object to a date with the date method of the datetime object, as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.